Hello, hi guys. So in this video we are going to learn how to draw a sphere. So that sphere is resting centrally on the top of a square block. That square block is having the dimension of 70 mm and 30 mm thickness. So first we need to draw the 2D diagram for this. How it would be in first a sphere with 60 mm diameter. I'm going to first you need to enter units, limits, all those things. After completing all those things, you need to use the command circle, pick any pointer on the screen and give the radius as the question has given 60 mm diameter, so we have to take 30 radius, 30, enter. So after that, this sphere is resting on centrally on top of the square block, right? So go to line and select its quadrant. From this point it is having uh, square block with 70 mm side, right? So this is the center point, right? Through this center point, 35 towards the left, 35 towards the right, 35, enter. And I am going to take control that, 35, enter. Similarly 35 plus 35, I'm not getting exact. 35, enter. At the same time, towards the left also 35, it should be 35 plus 35, 35 plus 35, 70, 70, and thickness 30 mm, 30, it should be 90 degrees, 30, enter. And again 70, 70, enter. And again 30. So this is the diagram of the our required arrangement in 2D. Then go to dimension. No need to go to dimension because we know the values of the square block as well as the circle. And I'm shifting to the first, draw the reference line anywhere on the screen. So I'm not getting horizontal lines. So for that, what I'm doing is ortho. I'm on main ortho mode on. It is in off position on. Now I'm changing our mode to isoplane. Go to line. First you need to construct a square block the side of 70 mm in isoplane. I'm taking one is towards so you can select here isoplane top, isoplane top. So with the dimension of 70 by 70, construct one square, 70 towards the width axis and 70 towards the length axis, towards the width, towards the length, 70. Escape. So the thickness of the block is 30. That means you can draw the box different. We have different tools, different methods to construct a cube. Here following copy option. So select this square block, copy, enter. Select its base, click anywhere like this. Isoplane, change the isoplane height so that the height will comes into picture. So what is the thickness? What is the thickness of the square block it is 30. Give 30. 30. Sorry, it is not in the select isoplane left. So not right. Or isoplane escape. Now it is in copy, enter, select this point, write 30 mm, enter, escape. Now join these corners, line, line, join this with this corner. Similarly, this point with this corner, this point with this corner, this point with this corner, 70 by 70. So after drawing these, trim, go to trim so that you will not get confused. Trim, double enter. So delete these backside edges. So there are many number of lines are there. So for clarity, I'm deleting that lines. Now find out its center by joining the opposite corners of the plane. I'm joining this with point with this, and this point with this point. So this is the center point for the block, square block. Now what we need to do is we need to draw the sphere. Draw the sphere. So sphere of diameter 60 mm. So for that, what we need to do is go to text. We need to calculate the isometric value of the sphere. So in order to find out its center, I'm calculating the distance. That is, the diameter of the sphere is 30. 30 into 0.816 equals to, it is 24.48 mm. So where we have center of the sphere, 24.48 is the center for the sphere. Now enter, escape, yes. Now go to line to this point, draw a line of length equals to 24.48. 24.48 is the height of the center of the sphere. 24.48, enter. So we got 1 point. Now, so this is the center point, and go to circle, and use this is the center. And now draw the, what is the diameter of the sphere? It is 60. Take off means radius of the sphere. Give 30 mm. Give 30 the radius. Enter. Now delete these unwanted lines. Delete, and this also you can delete. and go to trim option, tr double enter, and this is hidden portion, right? So we don't need this one. Delete this, escape, and you have to give the dimensions perfectly aligned from here to here. Distance is 70, and next here to here distance is 30, and you need to give the diameter also. So in this case also we need to give and one more thing is angle. Never forgot to give the dimensions in any object, in any question. This side also 30 degrees. And in this case linear. This side is 30, and go to diameter. $60. And one more thing is you need to give the dimensions in isometric view such a way that, so for that we need to move, or we need to use the command dimension edit oblique, select the dimension, enter. Now give the lines, angles. One is this side, other one is this side, or else you can give like this also, no problem. DIMEDIT, dimension edit oblique, and select the dimension, enter, and oblique angle is like this, no problem. Better to give okay, no problem. Now I'm repeating the same command oblique, repeating the same command to this object, to this dimension, enter, oblique angle, select this as oblique angle, enter. Now for this also align just to distance, dimension edit, enter, oblique, select this one, enter, and select the same angle. Sorry. So you need to give diameter. Delete. Let's try with the linear. Now dimension edit, oblique, select this line, enter, angle, okay. I'm going to give this one. Take a diameter. Take diameter. Here to here. Now dimension edit. Enter. Oblique enter. Select this object. Enter. Angle. Or else you can draw. Select the angle. Sorry. Okay, leave it. No problem. It's not a big deal. So like this, you need to give the solve the problem. Thank you.